friends, and welcome back to another model home tour. Today we're in Cypress, Texas, and we're about to tour this stunning model home by Coventry Homes. And I just had to share with you guys that this has to be one of my favorite model homes. Just take a look at all this property that this home has to offer. You honestly don't see that very often, especially with model homes. And I just really wish they did because it's just stunning. It's beautiful. I am in love with this home. Can't wait to show you guys all around inside and inspire you with its beautiful decor. And I just want to make a note here and let you guys know that in case you're wondering why I didn't take you all the way inside in the study room, so that opening that you see in the study room, and we'll get there in just a minute, that is a temporary opening to the garage, which is a temporary sales office. So when this home is ready for move-in, they'll go ahead and cover that wall, and it will be a regular study room or office room, as some of you want to call it. And on the other side sits the car garage. So just wanted to make that because sometimes it's confusing, and I have a lot of you commenting and asking, well, you didn't take us all the way in there. It's not part of the home. It's just a temporary sales office. So as you can see here, that opening straight forward, that's just a temporary sales office. But anyways, I'll take you guys all around this entire home. If you want further details and information on this home, please go make sure to check out the description box. I'll have all the details there for you guys on this home and on this builder. I hope you guys enjoy the tour. Let me know what you think of this home, and don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed the tour, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you guys on the next one.